Whoa, mommy, what is that?
Wow.
It has beautiful feathers.
Yeah, it's a bird. We call it
bird?
peacock. Yes.
Oh.
It must be male, yeah, because
So
it has
colorful.
a beautiful feather like that,
Mhm.
and that's for attracting the female attention.
Oh, that's a
Flying,
fly.
you mean?
Yeah, fly.
Yes, the peacock is kind of bird, but it cannot fly
Cannot fly. Why?
because it has the
But the
big
peacock
body
has.
and it doesn't have
wings.
flatless hollow, so it cannot fly.
Oh,
I
so
know.
some of birds cannot fly, and
Yeah.
some of birds fly.
Yeah. You know what? Kind of bird are so many, yeah. But
Mhm.
most of them they have wings, they have beaks, they have feathers, and they are some of them carnivores, some of them insectivore.
Oh, so
Yeah.
why do they eat?
Some of them cannot fly, like the penguins and
Mhm.
ostrich, and the peacock itself.
Mhm.
They cannot fly because their body is very huge, big, and they
Mhm.
don't have flatless hollow, so they cannot fly.
Oh,
Even the
yeah,
chicken,
yeah.
you
Chicken,
yeah, chicken is
right?
kind of bird,
Oh,
but the chicken
ostrich.
cannot fly high to the sky, right?
Yeah, right. So what do they eat, mommy?
Oh.
Are they eat like fruits or maybe vegetables?
Okay, the peacock they like to eat seed, yeah,
Seed,
but
okay.
not because some of them will eat insect too,
Insects, like
ants.
ants.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I see. Is that parrot?
Yeah, the parrot.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Hi, the parrot is also smart, you know.
Yeah.
Can you say
Okay,
something?
I will say hello, parrot.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
Yes. So
He
what
can
the parrot
imitate
eat?
you. The parrot likes to eat seed.
Seed.
Yeah, green, sometimes fruits.
Fruits like
If you give
banana.
apple, maybe the parrot
Oh.
will eat it.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
What do you think? Can it fly to the sky?
Yeah.
I think so. Yes.
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Wow. Whoa. I see. Is that owl, mommy?
Yeah, the owl is sleeping. Look at. Do you know why it's sleeping now?
I do not know.
It's because the owl is a nocturnal animal. Yeah. So she's gonna be active at night and she's gonna be sleeping during the day. Now it's day, right? It's
Yeah,
daytime,
it's
so
day.
the owl is sleeping over there.
So the owl will wake up at night, only at night.
Yeah, because she will hunt for food.
Oh, so what the owl eat?
The owl like to eat insects.
Insect too? How about the fruits, mommy?
The fruits, I think so. Yeah, the owl can eat the fruits. You know what? The owl is very afraid of the lions,
Oh,
and the
yeah?
tigers. Yes.
Why?
Because the lions, the tigers are her predators.
But they can fly. So
Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
lion cannot
That's
catch
good.
the owl.
Yeah, the owl will fly away soon if predators come near.
Wow, that's good. I like to come here and zoo, mommy, because I can learn about all of the animals in the zoo.
Yes,
Ah.
yes, we can learn about the food they eat. What do they behave? We can learn many things here.
Yeah, maybe we can go to the zoo
Next time, you
Next
mean?
time?
Yes, I will bring you to another zoo, maybe
Oh,
a bigger zoo.
Thank you.
Are you excited?
Of
Okay, now
course.
it's
Yeah,
almost
it's time.
evening. It's time for us to go
Yeah,
to our
let's
house.
go.